Chiropractor hanging out here with Leo, and we're going to get him adjusted right now. He's came in a little bit of back pain, right? Right inside
Correct.
the middle back, inside
Correct.
the neck. Haven't seen him in a while, right?
Correct.
So
A week or so.
yeah, about a week or two, yeah, absolutely. And we're gonna get him adjusted, crack him up a little bit, and get him walking straight all over again. All right, so we're gonna start off just measure right inside here. Let's get you relax those shoulders a little bit. All right, clean that up. Cool. There we go. Cool. Let's just relax a little bit. Just gonna measure up inside here. See how we're doing here. That's pretty good. That's looking all right. Good. How's he feel inside your lower back when I do this? Tightness inside there, or are you okay?
Yeah, tightness, a little bit of tightness.
Right inside there?
Yeah, tightness.
Okay. Still hitting the gym a little bit?
Nah, I haven't been doing.
Not at all, no?
No.
All right. Why is that? Just laziness or
Pain.
pain? All right.
Yeah.
That's not good. That's not good at all. All right, just relax a little bit. Just gonna adjust that lower back a little bit. Get those hips nice and level. All right, just relax a little. Softball begin yet?
No.
Baseball?
No.
No?
Not yet, no.
You gonna play?
Practice. I try to practice.
Yeah.
I try to loosen up my muscles a little bit.
Yeah, well,
You can't go too hard, you know.
absolutely.
Yeah.
There we go. That popped right in
Yep.
here. Real nice,
I
man.
heard, yeah.
Right, you hear that pop? Let's see if we get this right side right inside here. And just relax here. One more time. One more time. Good. You get the lumbar spine real deep in there. Just breathing real deep for me. All the way out. Let it go. Nice. One more time in. And all the way out. Just let it go. Good.
I heard I felt that, yeah.
Just right in there. So breathe in. And all the way out, yeah. Let it go. Nice. Nice. One more time. Real deep. All the way out. Relax. Nice. Good. Good.
Yeah, I feel tightness there.
Yeah, right inside
Okay.
there. Let's get that on the side. Just relax a little. Good. It was a season, no?
It's softball season, yeah.
Slide down a little bit. But now it's football season.
Football season.
Yeah.
I don't play football. I really play
No, I
football.
know. I know.
But I'll be here every day.
Yeah, right? And just relax. Ooh, it already popped in there. Relax. There we go. Good. Let's go on the other side. Nice and easy. You know, football, a lot of people are watching less and less football, you know, because of this Kaepernick thing. Slide down a little bit more. You know, the guy that doesn't stand up for the, you know, for the, whatchamacallit, for the Star Spangled Banner.
Yeah.
Right? Just relax here. Good. So a lot of people are watching less and less football because of that. It's crazy. All right. Good. Let's just adjust you right inside here. And just relax a little bit. A little more. Right there. Nice. Come right on your back. Come lay face up. Cool. Just relax your leg for a second. I'm going to stretch out your hip. Right inside there. Yeah, real deep. You might hear a little pop inside there. Good, just relax. And same thing here inside the hip joint, just let it go. Just like that, slide back up. Nice. Relax here. Let it go. Nice and easy. Good. Same thing here. You know, just relax, just let it go a little bit. Good. Slide back up. All I want you to do with your arms is, you know, open them up like that. Just like that. Slide down a little bit. Just slide down a little bit. Arms out to here. What we're going to do is going to try to bring these shoulders back over. Alright? You're getting a little rounding in the shoulders.
Yeah.
Right? Adjust the clavicle. Rib joints. Good. Your hands right back here. Good. Let me just take this arm. I'll just relax this arm. So let me just take the arm and just relax it a little bit. Good. Good. Get this on the wrist a little bit. Open up the joints in there. Relax. Good.
Yeah, that's not.
That's it. Everyone, let's get the other side. Right here. Just relax a little bit. Relax the elbow. Just let it go. See if we can get in that wrist. A little tight in there, right?
Yeah.
Good. And just let it go. A little more. Cool. Hands right there. How we doing so far, right?
All right.
This is done. Here we go. So no, you never played any football?
No.
No?
Back when I was in high school, I played.
Those days are done?
Yeah.
Too many injuries.
Back in varsity, yeah.
Too many injuries.
Oh man, they used to mess me up for baseball season.
Oh, I know. Too many injuries. You kidding me? If I went out to go play football, forget it.
Forget about it.
Break a hip. You know? And relax inside here. Just gonna stretch a little bit. Let it go. A little more. There we go. You know, if I went out there, and if I grabbed a football, somebody tackled me, and I fell down.
I could just imagine.
Forget
man.
it.
Forget about it.
Forget it. A little different when you're 18, falling down on
Yeah, it's
on the
different.
ground.
When you're younger, yeah.
Yeah. It's like night and day. That's the best right there. And just relax inside here. Just gonna stretch, open up the joint a little bit more. Just like that. Just like that. There you go. Nice. That's it. Good. What you got your next time? Breathe in real deep. All the way out. Good. Go. So let's tell the people out there.
Jason Tirado, baby. Come visit. You need a visit.
There we go. All right, Dr. Tirado, Western Chiropractor. Thanks a lot.